working with D.I.Y with the
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. It's your boy Greg, D.I.Y man. Man, I gotta hurry up get my truck fixed, man. I am a little upset right now, man. We just ain't catching the break down south, man. We just ain't catching the break, man. Had another storm come through last night. They got my C10s, man. They got my C10s, man. Anyway, man, I think it's something we can fix. I'm pretty sure we can fix it. But I'll show y'all some of the damage, man. Y'all come on with me. Just got through, man. Covering my truck back up and stuff, man. Put my tarp stuff back on it, man. But as you see, man, there's some trees down. I got roof. I gotta fix my roof, man. Golly, boy, we still cleaning up from the last one. Man, it's crazy, man. So yeah, man, they got my C10, man. Got them. I ain't too much worried about that one, man. You know, it just got my windshield on that one. But this is what I'm not too happy about. I know I'm about to get to put this cab on my truck, on my short bed. They hit me right there. I'm pretty sure they can be fixed, man. All that dented in. Gotta get a new mirror. All that pushed in. Other than that, man, everything look alright, man. I get a new windshield, there ain't no issue. But bruh, look at the pool, man. Pool cover inside, pool dirty. And I mean, boy, I tell you. Yeah, man. So what I think the Lord let me know, man, is I need to go on, put the pressure on this bill, man. I need to go on, put the pressure on this bill, man. Go on, get this done, man, so I can at least be able to move my truck, man. Look at all this, y'all. Kid swang and moved it and twisted. Boy, I tell you. And yeah, man. Anybody, any of y'all want to come live down south, man? This is what you gonna have to deal with, man. Shingles, yeah. Anyway, man, but most of all, man, I just thank God, man, we're good. Family good. There's nothing laying on the house. I got a bunch of shingles that I gotta get fixed and everything, man. Which I probably just gonna get a roofer to come by, see what it's gonna cost me to do the whole roof. But man, I think the Lord trying to tell me to go and get through with this truck. So I'm finna go and put the pressure on this, man. Go and get this truck done, man. Or we get another one, man. Man, we in the hurricane season in. It's just like this year, it's extra long. Anyway, man. But man, just checking in with y'all, man. Appreciate all of y'all, man. All of my supporters, all our subscribers, man. Just let you know, man, we still grinding. Everything good. But we're gonna get with you, man. Hey, y'all like, subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up, man. Hit the thumbs up and hit the notification bell, man, so you get all our videos, man. Should have one coming out real soon, man. I think I'm gonna try to go and crank it up. Man. Like I said, man, I am gonna be doing tunes, man. I'm fit to take the classes to learn how to tune. I'm probably gonna try to tune and do LS swaps. So anybody need a tune, starter tune, anything like that, get with me, man. We'll be doing that. But yeah, man. Go ahead on, get her covered up, man, and we're gonna try to go and crank this thing so I can go and get that cab on here and get it rolling, man. But anyway, man, like I said, man, my favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me. Appreciate all y'all, man. Checking in with your boy, Greg, D.I.Y with the wrist.